Hi everyone, it's Damien here from Aerotherm, and today I will be showing you how to install STAR-CCM Plus for the first time. Firstly, you are going to log in using your Siemens profile. If you are a student, you are going to use your student login details. Just let it quickly sign in. Okay, now that we are signed in, we can see all the different products that are available here. We've got STAR-CCM, Solid Edge, Flow EFD, Heat, and a whole lot of other products and licenses, but we are only interested in STAR-CCM Plus today. Once the STAR-CCM Plus page has loaded, you will see we've got a general product overview page giving us a brief look at everything that is available. We've got a full Getting Started page which gives us a brief introduction. We've got a knowledge base page, as you can see here. We've got a community page where users can post queries and answer each other. As you can see, it is pretty active with this post over here already having 156 views and 3 replies in the last 10 hours. We've got a general training page where you can have a look at all the different trainings available for STAR-CCM Plus. We've got a general documentation page, and then finally we've got our downloads page. On this page you can see all the recent versions of STAR-CCM Plus that have been released in the last few years. But today we are going to be downloading the most recent version of STAR-CCM Plus. Over here we've got all the different available downloads for STAR-CCM. We've got a whole lot of tutorial files, we've got templates, we've got this and that. As you can see here, our tutorial files are slightly large at 26 gigabytes, but it has everything that you will need in order to use STAR-CCM. Today we will be using our mixed version of STAR-CCM Plus. So to download that, you're going to press on the link, it's going to bring up your folder, and you're going to select where you want to save a compressed folder.